My name is Ryland. I'm with Hitachi Energy. I'm the Community Engagement and Relations Manager. My role is really working on the business, so creating partnerships with nonprofits, community colleges, higher education centers, high schools to help fill and continue to grow the pipeline for workforce that we need in our area. We met with them originally. We needed help in our maintenance department with electrical and mechanical support and maintenance, so they were able to develop a program where they actually came to our company, Hitachi Energy, and they were able to teach on campus the classes for a couple of years. And then after 2 years, they were able to graduate, and then we had a pipeline of around 18 individuals that could assume roles in maintenance. Hitachi Energy, we give $10,000 a year for employees to go back to school, and so Dan was a good partner because it's close and they know what our needs are, and so a lot of times the employees will go to Danville, further education, and then if we need upskilling on the jobs, then they're able to provide that upskilling need for us, and allows us to continue to justify growing in the area. And then also for our employees, the more knowledge they have, it provides them advancement opportunities throughout our industry to continue to grow themselves personally, and then also help Hitachi Energy to continue to grow as a company. Find your workforce at a Virginia community college.